Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, Zaagibagaa-giizis indunjiba. The Ojibwe word for May is Zaagibagaa-giizis. Zaagibagaa-giizis means the budding moon and actually speaks to the buds opening up on trees and bushes and so forth, and the beginning of real spring. Zaagibagaa-giizis, the budding moon. In the Ojibwe language, we often have more than one word for a particular month because of regional variations in weather and also dialect variations or even differences in custom across all of Ojibwe country. Zaagibagaa-giizis, commonly accepted for the month of May. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.